I used to sing mostly sentimental bhajans. Bhajans we had Daya Karo, Raksha Karo. I did not like Namavalis very much. And I was a pretty sad student when I was in Berkeley because I had just lost my mother in my 8th standard, and after that I had gone to Puttaparthi to study. And Swami used to observe what I was singing all the while, and he said one day, "Why do you sing all sad songs, slow?" Exact words were, "Why do you sing so?" He told first, "Why do you first of all put on such a castor oil face?" That is his usual dialogue. Castor oil face means when you drink castor oil, your face becomes glum and dark. And he means, "Why do you put on a sad face?" I could not answer Swami. I just looked at him and he said, "Don't worry, I am your mother. Always be happy. Always be happy." And it was not a suggestion. Swami did not suggest to me to be happy. He commanded me to be happy. Because I cannot be sad and sentimental and spread the love of Swami through singing. If I am weeping all the time, if I am sad, how can I sing out to all you brothers and sisters? How can I spread Swami's love, Swami's strength, Swami's power? I have to be happy and solid inside. So Swami commanded me to be happy. And from then onwards, I do sing those same songs, but with a different understanding. When I sing Daya Karo, I do not beg Swami. I know His Daya, His mercy is always there. When I say, "Our Swami, please come Swami," I know in my heart Swami has already come. What I want is Swami to come out of my heart and reach out to my world, which Swami has given to me. And today, sitting in your presence, seeing your hearts pouring out for Swami, I can only say that Swami has fulfilled his mission. Swami has come for love, to restore love in this world. And I can see it in your eyes, in the eyes of all our brothers and sisters, that Swami has fulfilled it. Now, we pick up this love, we lift our hearts and go out to the world and spread this beautiful feeling. One of the sentimental songs I used to sing before Swami is this particular number. And after Swami said this, I never sang it again in Puttaparthi. Because I don't want Swami to come again and say, "You've got a castor oil face." Saira Ghanashyam Bhagavan Tumhara naam. Saira Ghanashyam Bhagavan Tumhara naam. Saira Ghanashyam Bhagavan Tumhara naam. to